jobless who never had time for a wife. And he's talking with David, who's still in the Navy and probably will be for life. And the waitress is practicing politics as the businessman slowly gets stole. The sharing a drink they call loneliness, but it's better than drinking alone.
Hang on, Mark! Go off, kid!
Sing us a song, you piano man. Sing us a song tonight.
And you got us feeling alright.
It's a pretty good crowd for a Thursday, and the manager gives me a smile.
I love
Cause
it!
he knows that it's me they've been coming to see, to forget about life for a while. And the piano sounds like a carnival, and the microphone smells like a beer. And they sit at the bar, put bread in my jar and say, "Man, what are you doing here?" Oh, la 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 la. Sing Mars ain't the kind of place to raise kids. In fact, it's cold as hell, and there's no one there to raise up. If you did, and all the science I don't understand. Just my job 5 days a week. A rocket man, yeah. A rocket man. I'm a rocket ship on my way to Mars. On a collision course, I'm on a satellite. I'm out of control, I'm a sex machine ready to reload. Don't stop me, don't stop me, don't stop me. Don't stop me, don't stop me. Oh, oh, oh. Don't stop me, don't stop me. Have a good time, good time. Don't stop me, don't stop me. When it's over, so they say it'll rain a sunny day. Well, I know, shining down like water. I know, have you ever seen rain? I don't know, think you've ever seen rain. Sunny day. When the night is cloudy, there is still a light that shines on me. Shine until tomorrow, let me. I wake up to the sound of music, more than ever comes to me. Speaking words of wisdom, let me. Let it be, let it be, let me, let it be. There will be an answer, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let me, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Slipping and sliding, all the waterfall with you. A brown-eyed girl, you're my brown-eyed girl. Do you remember when we used to sing sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, just like that. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la.
I'd like some.
Always Billy on the beat.
Keep your dad, calm down.
So hard to find my way when I'm out on my own. I saw you just the other day. My, how you had gone. Can't see me back there, Lord. This is a song. It made me cry to the one that's done. I hope you don't mind that I put down the words. I wonderful life is you're in the world. I hope you don't mind. In the spring, it's became the summer. Touching hands, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Times never seem so good. So good, so good, so good. Sweet Caroline. Good times never seem so good. So good, so good, so good. Sweet Caroline.
Sometimes like change your opinion, it's like, no, this guy's not, I'm gonna double down. I'm seeing it, and I was like, this guy's a big chick.
Maybe I'm trying to get it right. Love me all the time. Maybe I'm afraid of the way I love you. Maybe I'm amazing the way you pull me out of time, hold me out of line. Maybe I'm amazing the way I breathe.
Let me say something.
Maybe I'm a man. Maybe I'm a woman man who's in the middle of something that he doesn't really understand. Maybe I'm a man. I know you're the only woman who will ever help me. You really want to help me understand who I do.
Walk, walk, come.
See the lights go out on Broadway. I saw the Empire State Building. And life went on beyond the palaces. They all bought Cadillacs and left there on the girls. They held a concert out in Brooklyn to watch the island bridges go. They turned our power down, they drove us on the ground, and We made her right on with the show. Sad to carry her up from Norfolk. Pick the Yankees up for free. They said the Queens could say they blew the Bronx away. They sang Manhattan out to sea. Those nights were out on Broadway, but that was so many years ago. Before we all lived here in Florida, before the mafia took over Mexico. There are not many who remember. They say a handful still survive to tell the world about the night the lights went out and keep the memory alive. How many times do I have to tell you? Even when you cry, it's beautiful too. The world is beating you down around your every move. You're my downfall, you're my muse, my worst distraction, my rhythm and blues. I can't stop singing, dreaming about say sorry, slowly.
Hold me close tight, and count the lights on the highway. And baby, she's a lady. You had a busy day today.
Hey Jude, don't let me down. You have found love, don't get hurt. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can start to make it better. So let it out and let it in. Hey Jude, begin. You're waiting for someone to perform with. And don't you know that it's just you and you do. you. Don't make it bad. To a sad soul will make it better. Remember to let her know this thing. Then you'll begin to make it better, 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 It's 9 o'clock on a Saturday. There's no man sitting next to me, making love to his tonic engine. He says, "Son, can you play me a memory? I'm not really sure how it goes. But it's sad and it's sweet and I knew it complete when I wore a younger man's clothes." La-da-da-da, la-da-da-da. You're the piano man, sing us a song tonight. We're all in the mood for a melody. Got us feeling alright. Now John at the bar is a friend of mine. He gets me my drinks for free. And he's quick with a jump on a line up his smoke with some legs and he radically says, "Bill, I believe this is killing me." Has a smile ran away from his face. But I'm sure I could be a movie star if I could get out of this place. Oh, la-da-da-da, la-da-da-da. Sing us a song, you're a piano man. Sing us a song tonight.
And we're all in the mood for a melody. And you got us feeling alright.
First chair, baby. First chair.
Now Paul is a real estate novelist who never had time for a wife. And he's talking with David, who's still in the Navy and probably will be for life. It's a pretty good crowd for a Thursday, and the manager gives me a smile, cause he knows that it's me they've been coming to see, to forget about life for a while.